Hi students, today we are going to discuss one of the chapter in trigonometry, that is trigonometric equations. Right, ప్రీవియస్గా మీరు ఆల్జీబ్రాయిక్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ చూశారు. హౌ టు సాల్వ్ ద ఆల్జీబ్రాయిక్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ అనేది కూడా మీరు చూశారు. నౌ వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ trigonometric equation and algebraic equation? Suppose we take an algebraic equation. If the equation is linear, then it has at most one root. If the equation is quadratic, then it has maximum two roots. If the equation is cubic, then it has maximum three roots. But in a trigonometric equation, every equation has infinite number of roots irrespective of the degree of an equation. Right. Now, what is the definition of trigonometric equation? Definition is an equation involving trigonometric functions of a variable angle theta is called a trigonometric equation. See some examples. 2 sine theta minus 1 equal to 0. Now cos square theta minus 2 cos theta plus 3 is equal to 0. 3 tan square theta minus 10 tan theta plus 3 is equal to 0. And another example is 3 sin square theta minus cos theta plus 2 is equal to 0. Right. Now another definition. The set of all solutions of a trigonometric equation is called the solution set of the equation. Right. Take one example. Let us consider 2 sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0. That implies sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. The solutions of this equation are pi by 6, comma 5 pi by 6, comma 13 pi by 6, comma 17 pi by 6, and so on. Right. Now another definition. Right. Here every equation has infinite number of solutions. నౌ మరి ఆ సొల్యూషన్స్ని డినోట్ చేయాలి అంటే మనం ఆ సొల్యూషన్స్ అన్నింటినీ రాయలేము. సో దట్ నౌ వి డిఫైన్ ఏ జనరల్ సొల్యూషన్. ఏ జనరల్ సొల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఈజ్ an expression of the form f of n plus alpha, where alpha is a principal solution and f of n is a function of n where n belong to z involving pi. Oh, right. See example. Sin theta is equal to 1 by 2 is a trigonometric equation. Implies theta is equal to pi by 6 in quadrant 1, pi minus pi by 6 in quadrant 2. After completion of one revolution, now second revolution low, in first quadrant 2 pi plus pi by 6, comma 3 pi minus pi by 6, and so on are solutions. Right. ఆ సొల్యూషన్స్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే వాటిని అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తూ రైట్ ఏ జనరల్ సొల్యూషన్ ఈజ్ theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n pi by 6 where n belong to z. రైట్. సో మరి ఈ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ని మనం గ్రాఫికల్ మెథడ్ లో కూడా ఫైండ్ ద నంబర్ ఆఫ్ సొల్యూషన్స్ అదేవిధంగా సొల్యూషన్స్ అనేది మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. రైట్, సి ఏ ప్రాబ్లం. Find the number of solutions of the equation 2 sin x minus 1 equal to 0 in closed interval minus 2 pi comma 3 pi. Here mention the closed interval. So the equation has a finite number of roots in this interval. Right? Now draw a graph of y is equal to sin x and draw a graph of y is equal to 1 by 2. Right? So a graph ను observe చేయండి. Now the number of solutions of the given equation, number of solutions of the given equation is equal to number of points of intersection of the graphs y equal to sin x and y is equal to 1 by 2. Right. Observe చేసినట్లయితే those two graphs intersect at 6 points. Therefore, the number of solutions is equal to 6. Right. Another definition, the function f of x is equal to sin x has domain capital R and range closed interval minus 1 comma 1. But in this domain, the function is not bisective. So we define the function f mapping from closed interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 to closed interval minus 1 comma 1 defined by f of x equal to sin x, then f is a bisection. రైట్, మనం గ్రాఫికల్గా కూడా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. టేక్ ఏ డొమైన్ క్లోజ్డ్ ఇంటర్వల్ minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 in x-axis. Okay, draw a graph of sin x. Right. Okay. Hence, for each k belong to closed interval minus 1 comma 1, there exists unique theta belong to closed interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 such that sin theta is equal to k. Then theta belong to this interval, closed interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 is called the principal solution of the equation sin theta is equal to k. Right? Now, if k less than minus 1 or k greater than 1, if k less than minus 1 or k greater than 1, then the equation sin theta is equal to k has no solution. Right. See example, sin x equal to 3 by 2. Clearly, this is greater than 1. Therefore, the given equation has no solution. Right? Similarly, we define other functions cos and tan. Right? Now, the function f mapping from closed interval 0 comma pi to closed interval minus 1 comma 1 defined by f of x equal to cos x. Therefore, the principal solution of cos x equal to k lies in the interval closed interval 0 comma pi. Right. Now define another function f mapping from open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 to capital R defined by f of x equal to tan x. The principal solution of tan x equal to k lies in the interval open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2.